Hi everyone, welcome back to music class. All right, so for this week, let me share my screen. Get this out of the way. Okay, so for this week in our virtual class, step one was to click on me for the intro video. You've already done that. Step two is to click on the TV. This week you'll be learning about beat versus rhythm. All right, so you click on that and it brings you here and you press play. All right, and then you'll watch the whole video and then you'll go on to the worksheet. So this worksheet number 2, has to do with beat versus rhythm. Let me open it up here. So it's going to explain to you that beat is a steady pulse in music, which doesn't change. So you're going to circle or color or do whatever you want on this worksheet the pictures that would have a steady beat. So just think about which things would have a constant, steady pulse or steady beat. And then you're going to put X's through the ones that don't. So that is your first worksheet. The next worksheet is going to be here. There's 2 different ones. So first you're going to, and this should open up in your drive. So make sure that you're logged in to your Google. And the first thing you're going to do is open up the ukulele diagram. And it's going to show you all the different parts of the ukulele. It's going to show you the head, the tuning pegs, there's 4 of them, the nut that's at the top of the neck, the fretboard, which is the black part of the ukulele that you see behind the strings, and then the frets, which are in between these fret wires, these silver things, the fret markers, which those are to help you when you're really playing stuff that you need to move up and down the fretboard, which we're not doing yet, but it'll help to recognize certain frets. So this one is the 5th fret and then the 7th fret, and so it just shows you so you can get there a little bit faster. This is the strumming zone, so you're going to strum in between the sound hole and the top of the body. All right, then we have the sound hole. This whole thing is called the neck. This whole blue part is the body, and then where the strings connect at the bottom is the bridge. And then this little thing right here, the strings have it has little grooves in it that the strings sit inside, and that's called the saddle. So that is going to be, and you don't have to print this, but if you want, you can print it. And then, let's go back. We will print the diagram. So have your parents help you if you need help printing this. And then you're going to fill it in. So what was this called again, this area? That is A. So we're going to go down here and find which one it was and fill in A. Okay, so you're going to bring that with you to class next week, to our live class, as well as the other worksheet, just to make sure we can check it off and go through it together. All right, so that's for the worksheets. Next is to practice playing the musical alphabet on the piano. So remember last week we learned the musical alphabet. So I'm going to go ahead and open our virtual piano. We learned that the musical alphabet is the same as our regular alphabet, but we only go to the letter G and then it starts over again. So let's take off our sustain, take off our keyboard marks. And just for right now while we're learning, we'll turn on our letter notes. Okay, so you're going to practice playing the musical alphabet. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then try turning off your letter notes and try finding those without them. And then you can turn them back on just by clicking there and double check that you got them correct. Okay, so the next thing is to watch our ukulele video this week. Okay, so you're going to click on the ukulele and it'll take you to a video that I made for you guys, and you will press play. And in that video, we will go over how to tune using either the Guitar Tuna app or using our virtual keyboard. It'll teach you the finger numbers, which I have right here as well. Finger numbers, this is the palm of the hand, so it's as if you are looking at your left hand. Our finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I go more into depth in the video. And then we'll also be learning the F chord, which I put right here as well, but you can watch the video and I'll teach you exactly how to do that. Something that I added this week is you can click here and get a chord chart. So if you want to go ahead and move forward and learn other chords, you can open this up. It has the finger numbers, so make sure you are using the correct finger numbers. Like let's go down to C. The C chord, we're going to use our third finger on the third fret. 1, 2, 3. This is our third fret on the A string. So that one you can see there. And then F is kind of hard to see, but that's another one you're going to learn this week. You're going to put your first finger here, second finger here, but I explained that in the video for you. And then last but not least, we named our dogs. So thank you so much for everyone that came to our live last week and gave all the input. I put all of those names into a computer generated website thing, and it picked that our dog's name is Sal. I'm not sure who picked that name, but thank you for whoever gave that, that idea to us. And so yeah, our little puppy right here is Sal. And for those of you that didn't notice last week, it's the same video this week, but I'm gonna be switching it up next week. So if you click on that, you can watch a funny video. All right, I think that is it, music class. Oh no, sorry, last thing is to do the exit ticket. So you'll click here, that'll take you to the exit ticket. Thank you for everyone that did that last week. I saw all of your inputs, that was awesome. So that is officially the end of our lesson. If you have any questions, just go ahead and message me. And that should do it. Have a good week, guys.